Ladies and gentlemen, my name is Huda Kamal from grade 9A, and this is my partner, dear
Rosita Abda.
Today, we're going to be talking about a very important topic, which that everyone uses daily, which is
Technology and life.
So let's know, what is technology and how did it change people's lives? Let's begin.
Wait, before you start, we have to ask them a question, right?
Oh yes, our question is, how many of you support technology and how many of you are against technology?
Raise your hands, please, if you support technology.
Oh, mashallah, most of you are supporting technology.
Now raise your hands if you don't support it.
Okay guys, thank you so much.
Okay. So initially, what's meant by technology? Technology is the use of scientific knowledge to create tools, systems, and machines that help us in our daily life and solve our problems. It's all around us, from smartphones and computers to medical devices and transportation vehicles. Technology also includes things like the software, the internet, and even social media.
In this slide, let's know how is life with technology now. Technology has changed the way we operate and behave from communication and whatsoever. Technology has enhanced our lives and increased in so many different ways.
History of technology. Well, the first invention of technology was around 3.3 million years ago, when people used to chip away stones to create shapes. Then they were able to create hammers, knives, axes, and arrowheads. What did I say at the beginning? They used to chip away what? Stones. That's why it was called the Stone Age.
Technology, so here we have the advantages and also the disadvantages of technology. Let me first begin on the advantages of technology. The first one is better communication. Technology helps us stay in touch through video calls and messaging, so no matter where we are. The second one is easy access to information. Technology gives us a quick access to knowledge and make learning and also research so much easier. Saves time and effort. Technology speeds up tasks from work, school, even in our daily life. Encourages creativity. Tools like design, software, app, and gadgets let people create or invent new things. Improves healthcare. Advanced technology helps doctors diagnose or treat illness better, and so we can save so many more lives. Connects the world. Technology brings people together and make the world feel smaller and more connected. Education. Websites like YouTube or Duolingo help, especially for teenagers. They help us to learn so many new things and be more knowledgeable. New jobs. Technology has created cool jobs like app developers or game designers. Better travel. GPS helps us find our way, especially for the plane. Easy money management. So nowadays, no need to go to the bank and get your money. You'll just get it from your phone in an app called PayPal. Shopping from home. Nowadays, we have online shopping. For example, like in Shein or Amazon, we will just order anything we want from just a click of a button in an app. For example, like Shein or Amazon, as I said.
Now I'll be talking about the disadvantages of technology. The first one is dependence. According to the research, around 65% of the world's population are addicted to their smartphones. And that means 5.2 billion people out of 8 billion people are addicted to their smartphones. That's a really huge amount of people. Job loss. Let's say you're a teacher, right? And as you know, robots and artificial intelligence are improving and developing. They might be able to take over your job. Privacy issues, like the applications that are able to detect your location. Social isolation. Social isolation, technology often leads to people feeling more lonely. Health problems. Technology can cause eye strain, poor posture, sleep disturbances, and most importantly, mental health problems. Cyberbullying. Technology involves harming or harassing other people, which is really dangerous. Digital divide. Digital divide is the gap between those who have easy access to technology and those who don't. Security threats. As you can see in this picture, it involves hacking, scamming, and identity theft. Environmental damage, like the different types of pollution: air pollution, water pollution, and sound pollution. Shorter attention spans. Students won't be concentrating on their exams. Instead, they'll be spending their time on using the electronic devices only. Misinformation. Last year, they said that the Eiffel Tower was caught fire, but it was not true. It was just a lie. And even this year, they said Los Angeles or LA was caught fire, but it was not true as well because only small part of the state was caught fire.